We are going to now continue with the front page. This is your front page on the very right-hand side. It is going to be the cover of your brochure. The three things that you need on your front page will be your name and period, the title of your engineering career, and a picture or an image of an engineer or something regarding your engineering career. The one thing to remember about Publisher that is different from Microsoft Word is that everything is done in text boxes. So if there's ever a time that you cannot type, then it's probably because you're not in a text box. I'm going to go ahead and click on this first text box. It says Ankeny Community School District. I don't need that, and I clicked on it, and then I'm just going to push my delete button. Actually, I'm going to push it twice and hit my delete button, and that whole text box is gone. I'm going to do the same thing to the phone number. Yours may not have the same information on it that mine does, and that's okay. But I clicked twice on that text box. I'm going to push my delete button, and then that text box is gone. I'm also going to do the same to this picture because this picture has nothing to do with my engineering career. I'm going to go ahead and keep my business tagline here. I'm going to move it up and highlight over it. And this is where I choose to put my name and my period. So I'm going to type Mrs. Baxter and whatever period you are in. So I'm just going to put period 3. I'm going to go ahead and highlight. And if you want to change the font or change the size, it's very easy to do. I highlighted it. I'm going to go up here into my tool ribbon, and I'm going to find a different font that I like. Many of them are going to be similar to what you would find in Microsoft Word. So let me find a different one. And I'm going to make it bigger. If you notice when I made it bigger, my period disappeared. What I'm going to do is I'm going to position my cursor so that it becomes 2 arrows. I'm going to left click and drag to make that text box bigger. And now everything shows. I also want to make my font bold. And then I would also like to center my name and my period. So again, it's going to work a lot like Word. I'm going to use the center the text function. I'm going to do the same thing where mine says product and service information. Yours may say something a little bit different. But what I'm going to put here is the name of my engineering career that I chose. I'm going to put aerospace engineer. Aerospace engineer. I am going to again change my fonts. That looks like a pretty decent size. If I get much bigger, it may go outside that box. And then I'm going to center it and make it bold. And then I'm going to make myself a note here. I'm going to draw a text box here. I'm not going to put it in right now, but I'm going to remind myself that I need to put a photo here. And that's what I need on the front cover.